Artificial intelligence, automation, and machine learning are transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. These technologies have moved from science fiction to everyday life, reshaping the way we work, live, and interact. Today, let's explore the development of AI, automation, and machine learning, and how they are changing our future. The journey of AI began in the mid-20th century, when researchers first attempted to create machines capable of thinking and learning like humans. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 is considered the birthplace of AI, sparking decades of research. In the early years, AI projects were limited by technology and understanding. Researchers focused on creating rule-based systems and expert systems that could simulate human decision-making in specific domains. The real breakthrough came with the advent of machine learning in the 1990s. This paradigm shift allowed AI to learn from data and improve over time, thanks to algorithms such as decision trees and support vector machines. In recent years, deep learning, a subset of machine learning, has revolutionized AI. By utilizing artificial neural networks with multiple layers, deep learning enables machines to process vast amounts of data and recognize patterns with unprecedented accuracy. AI and automation are now becoming integral parts of our daily lives. Autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate complex traffic patterns. Robots are performing tasks in manufacturing and healthcare, and smart home devices learn our preferences to make life more convenient. These technologies are impacting various industries across the board. In healthcare, AI is assisting with diagnostics and drug discovery. In finance, AI-powered algorithms help manage investments and assess risk. In entertainment, AI personalizes content recommendations for viewers. Startups and tech giants alike are investing heavily in AI research and development. As the technology matures, we are seeing the emergence of more specialized AI applications tailored to specific industries and needs. However, the rapid development of AI also brings ethical challenges. Concerns about bias in AI systems, job displacement due to automation, and the responsible use of AI are pressing issues that must be addressed. Policymakers and researchers are collaborating to establish guidelines and regulations for the ethical development and deployment of AI. Transparency, fairness, and accountability are crucial to ensuring AI benefits society as a whole. Diversity and inclusion in AI development are also vital to creating equitable systems. By involving a variety of voices in the creation of AI technologies, we can ensure they serve the needs of people from all walks of life. Looking ahead, the potential of AI, automation, and machine learning is limitless. From enhancing education and medical research to designing smart cities and sustainable solutions, these technologies hold the key to a brighter future. As we continue to innovate, it is our responsibility to harness the power of AI for the greater good. By working together, we can shape a future where AI, automation, and machine learning improve our lives and create a more inclusive, equitable world. While AI offers numerous opportunities for growth and development, it is also crucial to focus on applications that benefit society as a whole. AI can be leveraged to address complex social and environmental challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and health disparities. Establishing ethical AI development practices from the outset is critical to building trust and ensuring the responsible use of AI technologies. This includes incorporating ethical considerations into the design and deployment of AI systems, as well as involving diverse stakeholders in the decision-making process. By embracing these key areas and fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration, we can harness the full potential of AI, automation, and machine learning for a future that benefits all of humanity. The journey ahead may be challenging, but it also holds the promise of a brighter, more inclusive world. Let us continue to work together to ensure that the potential of AI is realized in a way that uplifts and empowers every individual and community. Join us on this journey as we explore the incredible potential of AI, automation, and machine learning in shaping our tomorrow. The future is here, and it's up to us to make it extraordinary. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.